We've got a dog with a wagging tail, jumping high, it's never stale. A cat with whiskers so long and sleek, sneaking around, hide and seek. Animal friends, come and play in the sunshine all day. With a bark and a purr, a hop and a glide, together on this magical ride. Here's a rabbit hopping near, with floppy ears, oh so dear. Dolphins splash in the ocean blue, doing flips just for you. Animal friends, come and play in the sunshine all day. With a bark and a purr, a hop and a glide, together on this magical ride. And the penguins wobble side by side in their tuxedos, what a sight. They slide on ice, they splash and dive in the Arctic where they thrive. Animal friends, come and play in the sunshine all day. With a bark and a purr, a hop and a glide, together on this magical ride. So join us now in this animal fun, under the moon and under the sun. With dogs, cats, rabbits, dolphins too, and penguins waddling just for